Hello viewers, are you experiencing Instagram keeps stopping or auto back problem? In this tutorial, I'll show you how to fix this problem. For fixing this problem, first of all, go to settings option and then scroll down, go to apps or apps management option. Now scroll down and find Instagram from the app list. Click on Instagram option. Go to storage option. Click on clear cache. Go back. Click on force stop. Click on OK to confirm. Now go back to home screen. Go to Play Store or App Store. Click on Search app. Search Instagram. Update your Instagram apps in latest version. After completing update process, restart your device. After restart your device, now go to Instagram and see problem solved successfully. If still problem remaining, that means Instagram server is down right now. So wait few times. After few times, it will be solved automatically.